Hello, hello.
Hello. Okay, guys. Now we are starting the session. I would like to request Swati ma'am to please start the session. Hello, ma'am. I am audible to you. Please unmute yourself, ma'am. Hello. Am I
Hello.
audible, ma'am?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes, you may start the session, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Hi, good evening to one and all. This is an introduction of AutoCAD. You people are basically still in colleges, right? Can you answer people?
Yes, ma'am.
This is an interactive session. Means like you can speak to me. Means I'll ask random questions. You can speak to me. And myself Swati, and I am working for 4 years in electrical design and design department. And I have gone through various issues of designing and have solved many problems and many issues. Okay. I think you people are still studying, right? Or you have completed your 4th year? Anyone can answer in the chat box also. I think I am audible to you, right?
Still studying, madam.
Still?
Study कर रहे हैं अभी.
Okay, they are still studying, right? Means the thing is that if you are still studying, you can design the basic drawings. Means like you have gone through single line. I think you people have not gone through single line diagrams and how the control panels are designed and how a company works, how a manufacturing company works. And if you are in still in studying level, you can what basically is that you can use whatever the things now I am going to say, it will be useful for your career also. I have so many have seen so many people are facing the issues like uh, let me hold on a second. I think you people can see me.
No, ma'am.
No, you can't see me.
Ma'am.
Okay, no issue. I'll just continue with my speaking. Let me say you one thing that people who have in fourth year, they just realize that after fourth year they'll just come out, and they think that they'll take for about 3 months or 6 months coaching, and after that they'll search a job. Okay, this is the process, or this is the thing that I have seen from most of the people. But my suggestion is that if you are still studying or still in first year, this is a good chance for you. You can learn everything very easily in a well defined manner. If you are in first year also, there is no issue. People are, I think that most of the people will say that you can learn great to explore everything in electrical. You can learn the circuits. People will say that you can go to get a government job, like that they'll suggest. But my suggestion is that if you go to a government job, or if you are in a private sector, that doesn't matter. Every skill is very important. Means every skill adds on your importance to the company, right? And moreover, I want to say that you should have every skill, so that, is there any issue?
Maybe
Someone
your
is,
screen is not visible.
yeah, I didn't on my screen.
ऊपर कैमरा होगा मैम, स्टार्ट वीडियो का, उस पर दबा दीजिए.
What? Camera start, okay. Where I can't see that.
At the bottom, ma'am, after the option of mute, there is option of start
Yeah,
video.
I
Please
have
refresh that.
given start video, but I can't see the camera on here.
Ma'am, just turn off and again you turn on.
ऐसे I am looking for you.
Yeah, Deepak, okay. I can see you, Deepak, but I can't see myself. Now you can see me.
No, ma'am. Actually, something.
I just want to see. That's the reason I also turned on. But then you give me 5 minutes. I'll sort out the issue and I'll. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay. Yes, ma'am, it is fine now. Please unmute yourself, ma'am, first.
Sorry for the interruption. Now I think you
Okay,
people
yes,
can
yes,
see me, right?
fine.
Okay. If you are a first year or if you are in fourth year, it doesn't matter. A skill is very important to everyone. So my suggestion is that you should get every means AutoCAD is a very basic thing that everyone should know and they should have knowledge about it. Why? Because in electrical sector, to represent anything in the circuits or any subject, the basic criteria or the basic thing is that you should draw, means you should draft. We can use drafters or like that, some stuff. But if you have any if you want to change anything in that, so you can't do many times in a paper, right? Like which is very easy and which is very user friendly. At that time it makes the things very easy, right? And you can do the changes that you want and you can explore the things that you want. Okay. And the thing is that if you are in any sector, means like you are in civil, you are in electrical, you are in mechanical, every people will use design to develop any product. um, Basic thing is that you should design. Without designing, the product can't get out, means the product come out no, will not come for manufacturing. If the product doesn't come for manufacturing, the product won't be exist, right? Means for every for example, if there is a chair, if there is a door, anything, any equipment which is available, which we can see visibly, means for the construction of houses or everything which we see, there is a thing called design. First we should design whether it fits into that or not. After that we'll just go to the modifications or changes according to the customer, according to the product that it come into the market. Okay. Everything matters. So initially for every company there should be a design department. In that design department they use various types of softwares. In that softwares, AutoCAD is one of the software. Okay. Then I'll explain why you should use AutoCAD other than other softwares, why it is very important, and why people are preferring to use only AutoCAD. Why? Because there are many other softwares like analyzing softwares and various types of softwares. Why people are only using AutoCAD? I'm just going to discuss briefly about it. Just keep concentrate on the things that I'm going to say. Okay. Okay. Let me off my screen to you. Just give me a second. Now you people can see me.
Yes, ma'am. You are visible.
Yes, ma'am, we can. Your screen is also visible.
All the things are visible. So no problem, ma'am. Please continue in this view.
Yeah. Now you can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This is called as AutoCAD software. Okay. Um, Let me explain how does it works and what are its benefits and everything. Okay. What is AutoCAD? Every people will have a thing. Every people will listen in their fourth year. What is AutoCAD? Okay. It is a software used for designing and drafting, and it is used for designing. Means I'll in the upcoming PPTs you will know what is design and what is drafting. Okay, and it was developed by the company called as Autodesk, and the AutoCAD stands for computer aided design. And why it was CAD is called as computer aided design? Why it came auto means it was designed by the company called as Autodesk, so that's the reason it has came before the CAD, it has came like auto. Okay, and next why it is means it allows means what are the concepts or ideas which were used in your brain. Okay, means what you are thinking imaginatively, that can come into visualization. By using this software we can draw whatever the things that we want. Okay, and for it allows the user for conceptual ideas, product design and drawings to the required level of technical accuracy, performing rapid design and calculations and simulations in the industry. Means what I want to say is that what are people will have some ideas to represent in the thing in practical thing. So what they will do is that they should have something that to explore the things. Means if you are a if you have some concept, if you want to present near the teacher or if you want to present near the professor. Okay, if you are doing your fourth year project or anything, if you want to project something. Okay, if you want to design some uh, for example your fourth year project having some what I want to say that automatic solar tracking system. Okay, that is a project that you have selected. So in that selection you want to first what the things what was the circuit you want to be. So at that time first you should draw the circuit. So where you want to draw, you can't draw in a paper and you can't show it to the professor that sir this is the paper, this is the thing I am going to implement. Okay, so first of all you use a software. In that software you just draw the circuit which you want, and you will project to the professor or your corresponding teacher, whoever they want. So at that reason this AutoCAD software is useful. And next uh, means accuracy. Means if you want to modify anything in the, it will take so much time, but by using this software it will just take 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, and next it is used in various industries also. Okay, next reasons for implementing CAD system. Why we are using implementing only this CAD system? Okay, to increase the productivity of the designer and to improve the quality of the design, to create the database for the manufacturing, and to communicate through documentation. Okay, these are the things used for implementing of CAD systems. Why? To increase the productivity of the designer. Okay, for example, let me discuss something with you. Like um, you are an engineer, right? And you use drafters and sheets to draw a design of a product. Okay, it took so much time for a designer to design a product. If the manufacturing product doesn't satisfies the customer needs or your professor needs, or the manufacturer finds any error in the product after manufacturing, they need to change the design of the product, which was a time consuming process. Okay, and the designer needs to change the design of the product by erasing, or sometimes he needs to use a new chart for designing it. So means it is taking some time consuming process. And next it is taking some what it is taking if there are errors and if the customer wants to change the product, then what he will do? you can't take another sheet and you can't draw. Why? Because it is a big SLD. Okay, that's the reason we use this software. And next, product to increase the productivity of the designer. Means productivity is nothing but we come to know that if we are designing an isolator, for example, initially have to create a database for manufacturing. What is that? Means, okay, I am through these companies, right? Then I am in a private sector, so I'll say the process how the company works. Then how this AutoCAD will be useful. Then you can know. The thing is that to create a database for manufacturing. For example, you are designing an isolator. Okay, for that and you are designing some panels. Okay, in that panels there were different equipments like MCBs and SMPS, and next what are called as next what a mini transformer and relays, and these are the components. Various components will be there for the designing of panels. Okay, for these components they means repeatedly we are doing the panels, means there should be only some logic will be changing and every other thing will be remain same. So okay, means every time the what the thing is that they should buy the equipments, means like MCBs, 2-pole MCBs, 3-pole MCBs they should buy first thing. Next after that they should for the connection they should take the wires. Okay, after that they should use some SMPS. Why? Because SMPS will convert AC supply to DC supply. After that we use TBs, okay, terminal blocks. After that we'll use relays, means control panel will be there. At the same time what power circuit will be there and control circuit will be there. Okay, means power circuit and control circuit there will be some little difference. I'll say after that. Means control circuit only use DC supply. Okay, for that reason we are using SMP. Means these are all the equipments I am saying. Means relays, every equipment. So every equipment, each and every time we have to purchase. Okay, at means we have to purchase every time. Instead of writing all the time, we can create some database, right? Means we can use this database. Okay, if we create this database, we can take every time from the same thing. Okay, and next we'll know that people, you think you people have know about SAP. SAP is a software which is a database, means what are the things that past project we have used and what is the present project and what are the equipments we should buy for that project and what are the things we should consider into we should buy, and all the things comes under database. Okay, and next to improve the quality of the design, what the things to improve the quality of the design means we have designed something called as a computer mouse or everything. Okay, but you want to increase the design, means you can make some changes that you want and you can project, then it will look more quality than the other things. Okay, pardon. Okay, to improve the quality of the design also, means you want to make a better quality so that the customer will be happy or the end user will be happy at that time. To improve the quality of the design also, this software will be useful. And next, to communicate through documentation. Okay, for example, if you done a project, okay, and you have given to the market, or if you are given for any validation, people will ask for documentation, means what are the equipments you have used and you and what are the things, what is an SLD and how it is going to work. Okay, this documentation purpose also, you can just take this SLD from the AutoCAD and you can just copy paste or you can just make into a PDF and you can just insert in your documentation part. Okay, and this was the implementation of the AutoCAD. And next, why we should use AutoCAD, means why there are other softwares, why we are just going through the software only. Okay, means to draw and the print architecture floor plans. Okay, means in for architecture people means you people are electrical, I think so. But the other departments also no issue. Means architecture is one of the study that the people will use for floor plans. And next for electrical people, they use for single line diagrams, control panels, schematics, piping drawings, store planning, layout, and general arrangement drawings. These are the drawings where electrical people encounter this AutoCAD software. Okay, AutoCAD software will be used for drawing the single line diagrams and control panels and schematic drawings, piping drawings, and store planning and everything. And these CAD can create the 3D models and a bill of quantities. I already told that there are n number of equipments. How many equipments are used for the particular project? At that time also it can generate itself. Means if you draw the single line diagram at that time, you can say it will accurately measure how many equipments you have used, and it will generate automatically. Okay. And next, benefits of AutoCAD. What are the benefits? Means for everything there are advantages and disadvantages, and why the benefits come into picture. Means what are the advantages of it using. Okay, it has an ability to produce very accurate design. Means you can provide a very accurate, means pakka, okay, accurate design. And drawing can be created in 2D or 3D. Okay, that means you can create the drawings either in 2D or 3D. Okay, CAD design can replicate almost instantly. Means if you make any changes, you can see within a few seconds a span of time. Okay, it helps us to reduce the cost as it saves times and efforts required for manual designing. Means I have already told that if you use drafters and everything, drafters and charts, it takes much more time. Comparatively with that, software takes less time and efforts. Means today people want the things in very fast manner, right? Means and man efforts will also be reduced. Okay, for this manual designing and everything. Okay, it helps us to engineers to design and solve design issues related in accuracy. Accuracy means the output should be in 100 to 100%. It should be clear and very visible. Okay, accurate results means accurate designing means it should be like everything should be in well defined manner, and it should be in output should be in clear cut manner. Okay, and a 3D print has its own advantages for the designer, and for the software helps them. And we can draw 3D drawings also in this software, and the design can be exported to various preferred formats. Means there were different formats, not only PDF, there will be different formats for the exporting of this drawing. And this AutoCAD will be helpful in what to say. It has its own advantages while printing. There will be xft files and various files if you go through it. Okay, and next, applications means like how means how an electrical engineer will project what he will call these drawings as, and how a mechanical guy and how a automotive engineer, means like electrical guy, and how a aerospace engineer call this designing in AutoCAD, what they will call it as. In aerospace they will call the final design as an assembly. And the automotive means like they will call the final design, means for mobiles also there will be designing, for laptops and for electricals, for every equipment there will be a design. For that design people will use AutoCAD software. Okay, and for electrical and electronics the final design is called as blueprint or circuit design. And rails and mergence, they call the final design as layout or blueprint, and structural and civil, they call the final as layout. Okay. And next one is career information. What was the career you are going to have in this? Okay. While drafter works in CAD, is used for the below list of engineering streams. Okay, mechanical, architecture, civil, electrical, and electronics people. Mechanical design plan for equipments and spare of mechanical devices. Okay, they use the uh, equipments and spares as mechanical devices, and architecture design for plans, layouts, and 3D for residential and commercial buildings. Okay, they use architecture people will use these plans for layouts and for commercial building and residential buildings. And mechanical, they will use for spares of mechanical devices, means there will be mechanical like cars and everything equipments will be there now, for that they will design. And next, architecture people will use for layouts and like commercial buildings also. And next, electrical will works with electrical circuits, small in size, and electrical wire systems layout for the machines. Okay, civil for roadways, 3D, and industrial plants and major projects. These are the career information that you can have for using this software. This is a very important and the basic software that you should know. If you are going to a private sector, or if you are going to be an whatever the thing that you have, you should, the major thing is skill. If you don't have skill, you won't sustain here, means you won't get a good career. The thing is that. And next, I want to say you that I'll
Ma'am, hello, excuse me, ma'am.
I didn't get you.
Hello, am I
Yeah,
audible?
yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
you
yes.
are talking about skill sets every time.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I have one doubt from a student point of view.
okay.
Ma'am, do company prefer a student with some real-time exposure during their college time?
Yeah, real time experience is very useful and very important.
Okay, that means company also need trained freshers.
Yeah, why? Because without training, if they'll take, they should start from, means like if you
They
are,
have to start the training from scratch, and they will take
yeah, from
time.
scratch. From scratch, if they take, it will take 6 months for them to train. Instead of taking the 6 months, means if they are keeping the wages, means they are giving some salary. Okay,
Okay,
and they are
okay,
keeping for 6 months. Instead of that, they can take an experienced guy. They are no need to give an training, right?
okay.
So nowadays people are preferring to take such kind. So if they are having some skills, okay, they can manage. They'll think and they can take.
That means company also need that employers should produce, I can say, revenue from starting days of working only.
Yeah. They should work from starting there. They'll give some task, and if you
Okay,
do
okay.
the task good, they'll uh, they'll make you that oh, he can learn something, we can train him. Okay, they means the thing is that you should if they give a task in, suppose in AutoCAD, if
Yes.
you can't able to draw it, then what he thinks, Arey baba, we can't train him, maybe he is very slow, like that he'll thinks. If you draw something or the other, if you know that skill, then it will be very useful.
Okay, that means along with our study, we should focus on some internship, real-time internship, we think.
Yeah, real time internship is very necessary and it is mandatory also.
Okay, okay,
And
thank you.
for people in okay, it's okay.
Okay, okay, yes, ma'am, continue,
And
continue.
okay, um, this
Yeah.
is a single line diagram. What it basically represents means, um, it, for example, if there is any substation or any other location, means
It's
how
not
does
visible.
Madam, it is not visible.
The diagram is not visible. Your presentation is
Yeah,
visible.
ma'am. Not visible. It's not visible, ma'am.
single line diagram is not visible, right?
Yeah. Here, career information is visible.
Okay, just share. Let me stop staring and I'll share new sharing. Now you people can see.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. We
Can't
Yeah,
see.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can you zoom it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Let me go in a well-defined manner. I'll zoom it. I'll zoom it. Okay. This is a single line diagram. Okay. Means I think you have basic knowledge about RYB. Three in your language I should say that 3 wires RYB.
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
but
Yes, ma'am.
instead of
Three phase.
giving that, okay, 3-phase circuit. Instead of showing all the 3, it becomes a clumsy thing. We'll show only one. So means R or Y or B, any one we'll take and we'll show it. Okay, means it will make your drawing very visible. But you should assume that there are three wires only, but instead of the showing it is a single line diagram, we'll just show the pictorial representation of it, how the circuit will be. Okay, and it is a 11 kV substation. Okay, and this is my project, or this is my work that I have done in my company. And here from any substation or anything, we'll guess the supply from here. After that, it is a like VCB 630 amps. In our skill desire, there are various things that you should, if you join in that, you people, that's your basic personal suggestion. But I want to say that why we are taking only 630 amps VCB? How we are going to calculate it? Okay, these all we can discuss in the skill desire. Why? Because there are so much great faculty here, and I will a well defined program here, so that you can learn each and every skill very easily. So that's the reason I am not saying how we are going to take that 630 amps. Means this is called a selection of the equipment. This concept is called as basic selection of the equipment. Okay, how we are this is called as VCB. Why we are only using this VCB at the rating of 630 amps. And next this is called as a CT. Means CT means current transformer. Okay, means basically it is an instrumental transformer. Here it is using like 200 by 5 amps. Means the current that is coming from this VCB, it is stepping down, means 200 is stepping down to 5 amperes. And this 5 amperes, here we are going to give the relay. This is called as relay. Okay, this box is called as a relay. And you can see that there is some nomenclature like 80, 86, 80, 51, 51, and 95. And what is this? It is a ANSI codes. Means American National Standard Institution have kept some codes. Now that codes, how it will be useful means like 86 is master trip relay, means that is the nomenclature used for the relays. Okay, and the thing is that why we are using these relays? Okay, to protect the circuit. Okay, means whenever the short circuit has come, or some fault has come in this circuit. Okay, at that time the relay is going to operate and trip the circuit and makes the system healthy. Means it is going to separate the healthy system and the fault system, so that we can what we can protect the healthy system. Okay, and there will be no any damages, further damages. Okay, and next from this you are going to have a feeder. Okay, this is called a feeder. And after that this is called as a bus bar. Okay, this dark color line is called as a bus bar, and these are called as feeders. Okay, these are things called as feeders, and all over this is called as a panel. Okay, this overall thing is called as a panel. and here this is called as a bus bar, and the bus bar and number of feeders are going, means going out, and from that it is next there will be my system is yeah, now you can see that there are a number of panels. This is one panel and this is one panel, and after that you can see that there is a step down transformer. Okay, basically we'll use everywhere step down transformers only. There will be distribution transformers, and there will be means like power generation transformers. Okay, you should know each and everything. But one thing I want to say you that college won't give the knowledge of what the practical situation is. Means I think you people won't come across this single line diagram once and only if you join in any company. Up to that you won't able to get anything. Means like that.
Yes, ma'am.
In colleges they won't teach every single part, right? They have some college norms or what the JNTU keeps syllabus. Okay, that syllabus they'll teach and they will project that thing only. They won't give practical knowledge. But if you go for 3-2, they'll say that go and do some internship. Okay, I think you people will do some internship in somewhere. They won't give their company documents or company information. They won't say. They'll just ask you to come at 9 o'clock, and they'll just ask you to stay at 12, and they'll make you to leave. Or they will teach you something, means like PhD professors like that people, means the trainees who will come, they will only come and teach you, but they too don't have that much great knowledge to explain you. And the thing is that next level is that you people will think there is no need to have, we'll just we can take rest, this is 3-2, we can see it 4th year, after that we can get the job. Once I think once you have left the company won't come with you, and your friends won't come with you. And the thing is that money is the criteria for every job, means to sustain, means if you want to be independent in your life, you should have some good career. To have good career, you should build some good skills. Means the career path you are choosing, in that career path you should have some good skills to explore, and that should benefit your company and as well as you. So that's the reason I'm sharing my personal experience, and I'm sharing my personal documents to you, so that you can learn and you should get what was the practical world that is presently working, and how you want to be in that. Okay, be prepared from your first year. After that, I don't want you people to suffer. After coming from 4th year, you will take some coaching and after the getting coaching, you don't have skills, means what they will think, they won't take, then you'll waste for 1 year. I don't want you people to go through that mess. So I'm suggesting you to take some simple courses, like when you are in college only, after 5 you will be free, or otherwise these are digital classes, I think so. You can spare for 1 or 2 hours in the evening sessions, and you can learn something. Why
And
to sit
improve his skills too. Actually,
yeah, you
you
can
should
improve
improve
your
his
skills.
skills so that the jobs will automatically be in your hand.
Yeah,
Without a
if
skill, nobody is going to pay for you. You should be
yeah,
productive. That's why they will pay you.
yes. Otherwise, if you don't have skill, there is you are zero. You are zero means they don't want you. Why he will take a 0% and he will pay for you? And why he is there any necessity that he should make you to learn and giving the salary? No, na. There is no necessary for them. So
Yes, ma'am. No. There is no.
One simple
yeah,
exam, you people, one simple example I want to quote here. Suppose you
Okay.
want a servant in your house, okay,
Okay.
and you have two options. One in one he can only do everything very nicely, but he can't drive. But
Okay.
you are getting another person on same salary, and he can drive too, and he doing the work that other person was doing. Obviously, you will be going for the person who know how to drive.
Yes, yes, yes. The
So
thing he
that
said is correct.
yes, that is the main criteria where company is also looking. If they will find any productive people, now they will prefer them only.
Yeah.
So focus on his skills.
I also want to say that one thing, you people, that if I'm saying always skill, and I'm always saying that to join in a skill desire to get the skill. Why I'm saying is that you can't if there is a big mountain, okay, think that you want to step one by, means you want to take single step and you can reach the top of the mountain, okay. If you assume like that, means you should learn one by one skill from your first year only, okay. Then it will be helpful for in your fourth year when the placements comes. Then you can strongly say that I have an AutoCAD skill, or I have so and so skill, I have a software skill, so that I can do my work very easily, or I can what I can say, you can confidently speak to a person if you have a skill. If you don't have a skill, you can't have a confidence. Then he'll ask you a question, why should I hire you? Then what is the answer you are going to give?
Exactly.
Why should he hire you? You
Excuse me,
yourself
ma'am.
ask the question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Are you going, ma'am? Can you tell how to operate the AutoCAD and some basic tools?
Yeah, I'll just say the basic means I just will show some this. You can you
How
see my
use?
screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I can see, ma'am. I want to know that how to operate the AutoCAD and basic tools in it. That
Actually, in
Basic
become
upcoming
tools.
visible.
slides, we will be doing the same only. Let's ma'am to be in
Yes,
floor.
ma'am. It is visual, ma'am.
I'll just take a few seconds. Just he want to know na. Just I'll take 2 seconds.
Yes, yes.
Basic thing is that I don't know your name, but the thing is that these are the commands you are going to operate, and these are the things that you can. I just have this control room layout. This is the layout, okay, actually, and using these tools you can draw it. The thing is that one for climbing the thing I want to say that about the mountain, I'm saying that thing you should learn step by step. You can't get everything in one day. You can't eat your mother cooks very delicious food because this is bogie today and she kept in near your table, dining table. You can't eat all the things at one time. You'll just give some breaks, and you just eat all the things. Why? Because I am foodie, I'll say some food things, don't matter. Means in the same way, I'm just showing this AutoCAD. You can't learn all the things in one day. Okay. So that's the reason training is necessary. Okay, without training in this human world, nobody is good at things. Okay, if you want, your mother is in cooking department. Why? Because she is from 2 to 3 years she is good at cooking. Okay, and your father is at good job or good in good company. Why? Because he has done his work very easily by knowing this some softwares or some other thing. Okay, these are the what these are the commands, means these are the draw tools, modify tools, and these are the tools you can use, and you can draw the diagrams which you want, and you want to export the things, means there were different export means like if you press this, I think you people don't know how to make a PDF also, but I just want to say this is the thing that you are going to take out the print, means for you should just select the window that you want and you just make the PDF. And there were different formats. These are the different formats like JPN and PNP, and these are the different formats you can export this file and you can submit to your teacher or professor. Okay, for your third year project you can use this software also. So this is the thing that I want to conclude you, that this skill is very important wherever you go. This matters a lot.
Ma'am, we may have a small demo of drawing, please.
You want a small demo?
Yes, ma'am. You just draw something and show how to draw and all.
Yeah, this is a line command. You just here there will be
Just
a
like a square pyramid and something else.
huh?
What you are saying?
Just little bit in square.
Square you
Okay,
want.
okay. Okay.
Just you go and click here. Okay, there will be different like polygon, rectangle or everything. You just select
There will be,
here.
ma'am,
Yes.
there will be in the software it will be available. No, there will be symbol on it, circle on a polygon. If we click on the rectangular symbol, there will be polygon, hexagonal also. Like that, symbols will be available, right?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
There will be symbols. There will be symbols for everything, but you should know how to draw that using that symbols. How you
Yeah,
are
ma'am.
going
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
draw the VCB? How you are going to draw the transformer? How you are going to draw the relay? How you are going to measure current it is passing there? That all that all can be done when you go through the training only, right? There will be symbols for everything. There will be symbols for circle also. There will be symbol, but how you are going to use the symbol means which part it is going to come. How do you know? Here it is a square. Which part you are going to draw a square? Okay, in electrical, which part you are going to draw the square? And how you are going to select the sheet means there will be different sheets, A4 sheet, A3 sheet, A2 and A1 for your presentation. Okay, means for printing out or you are going to give the customer at which sheet and which level you want to keep that. Means if you are drawing this much big circle, how you are going to plot it, that matters. Okay, if you want some text, how you are going, what is multi-line texting, how you are going to take that matters. Okay, by seeing the symbols everyone can say, "Arey, this is very easy software," but how these symbols are useful and how the multi-line and single line text, how this text is going to come, this is very important in the software, right? And you just use here command prompt will be there, and you just press here L and you just press here enter. Then you can asking is specify first point. Then I am going to specify somewhere here as my first point, and I'm just pressing here F8 to get the straight line. Then only I'll get the straight line. Okay, like this software will be useful. Just you can see that ortho is on, and just I'm pressing here enter. Okay, then I should draw my second line, but I pressed here escape. Okay, like this, these are the commands and these are the drawings that you want to learn in this AutoCAD. Is there anything?
No, ma'am.
And
Okay.
what are the courses provided by Skill Desire in field of
Okay.
electrical?
In Triple E, there were courses of like you people
I'm
know
quite
about.
interested in PLC designing, ladder logic designing.
Yes, you guys can please visit our website for more details. The site has been shared in chat section. You may contact on given number for more details. Actually, right now we are having two courses. One is job-oriented courses that is for 3 month duration, and another is internship program for 1 month.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Ma'am, there is CAD.
Yes, say please.
SCADA means first you have to draw all the SCADA drawings in this drawing. SCADA, I just want to know about. Sonu will take. I don't know, but Sonu he's
Actually,
asking about SCADA. SCADA.
actually, it's not SCADA, it's PLC and SCADA you are talking about. We are having in our live sessions.
Okay, okay, sir.
Any questions?
Yes, sir. I want it mean live session also. There no demo for that particular demo.
See, if you guys will register in bulk number, then we will provide launch a demo session in which we will let you know what we do, and everything will be explained in detail in that session. If you want right now, you can visit our YouTube channel, that is a skill desired, and there it is available. You can search.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any more questions? You can ask general questions also. Swati ma'am will also reply. If you have any doubt in AutoCAD, any doubt you can ask. You can unmute and ask. You may
Sir,
put
can
in
you,
chat section.
sir?
Yes, yes.
So, sir, can you tell me the fee structure of SCADA? I mean, what is the how many months of training is available and everything?
See, for if you are joining job-oriented course, you have to pay 22,000. In that, we will be training you in almost 6 to 7 softwares.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Anything else?
Sir, all these are online courses.
Yes,
Yes.
right now we are running online only.
Due to this pandemic, people are not allowing mass gatherings now also. So that's the reason we are just continuing here. If you are still want to get that, it will take some time. Means only for 1 month. After that, maybe there will be normal classes also.
From first all are going to offline classes. No, ma'am.
What you are saying?
I mean, in that situation, can you open offline classes?
Acha, tell me what is the difference between offline and online classes?
I mean, there is doubt sections. The live class, if we
See,
can attend, we can ask.
see,
It become more reliable in offline classes because they become a very
your voice is breaking, I think.
Deepak
ऑफलाइन
Singh,
क्लास के
your
अंदर
voice is breaking.
इन ऑफलाइन क्लासेस मैडम का जो
Yes.
सर का जो टेंशन होता है वो अच्छा हो पाता है और ऑनलाइन में वो हो नहीं पाता है अच्छी तरह से
सी दीपक, अगर ऐसी बात है तो अगर हम ऐसे जो भी हमारा पिक्चोरियल जो होता है ना प्रेजेंटेशन, दैट इज वेरी नाइस इन ऑनलाइन. We can show you the exact
ओके सर
scenario, okay? And if you are talking about doubt, तो डाउट के लिए हमारे पास फैकल्टी जो है 9 से 6 आपके लिए अवेलेबल होंगे. अलग एक एक्सक्लूसिव व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप रहता है, हर एक ग्रुप के लिए आपको एक मेंटर असाइन होंगे, एंड योर डाउट विल बी सॉल्व ऑन दैट टाइम ओनली. हेलो गाइस, प्लीज म्यूट.
Narasimha or someone, please mute yourself.
Any more doubts? Hello, you guys can also give your question in chat section. What the fee for internship? It's 3,000 for internship. Our fee is 3,000. Any more question?
Ma'am, are there in AutoCAD we should learn everything now for electrical?
Yes, yes, yes. You should learn everything.
Not only electrical, you will be able to solve mechanical drawing too. This is my guarantee.
Sorry, I didn't get.
It's not about electrical only. After studying from here, you will be able to draw civil and mechanical structure too.
Okay, but see the things sorry the like excuse me the see circuit breaker is there na. For
Okay.
that
Okay.
one product is there and some ASCII codes are there. If we enter
Okay.
that product will come and we will
Hmm.
place that somewhere like in where we use
Hmm.
in the SLD.
Hmm.
Okay.
Like we are using that while we are drawing. What
Hmm.
are the problems we will face? Like
Hmm.
that, can you explain that in elaborate?
Problems while drawing you are
Yeah,
facing that.
means like how to draw all those things.
That drawing when you learn you will get na.
Okay. Right now you won't means in this session you won't give na.
No.
Okay, right now.
Someone is asking, sir, will you provide any placements? Yes,
Yes,
there will
100% placement
placements.
if you join job oriented courses.
It mean which type of company you are going to place? Can you tell me set placements of the company?
Yes, core company. See, I will explain whole designation. Suppose you are from electrical.
From electrical.
Okay,
Vijay
so
Kumar.
yes,
Bukya Vijay Kumar.
exactly. See, what are the designation available in electrical market? Do you know?
Bukya Vijay Kumar. Sony is
Vijay, please
asking
reply.
that. Do you know what were the roles?
What are the job profiles you have?
He is a mechanical student, it seems.
Yes. For mechanical also we are having. Do you know what are the job profile available in mechanical engineering?
Design engineer,
Okay.
Anything
Another
else?
roles?
Design engineering.
process engineer, quality engineer.
Yes, and there are many more. See, what we will do now, we will explain each designation in detail with you. And according to your interest, you can choose where you want to go. See, one thing I will say here, if you don't like your BTech degree now, it's matter of only 4 years. Okay. But if you not like your job, then it's matter of more than 40 years. You can say your lifelong matter. So what we are doing now, we are explaining each possible designation in a department in detail. You have to choose anyone, and in that department we will place you. Anything else?
Sir, do you provide courses for mechanical?
Yes.
Yes.
Rightly, we are providing for mechanical, civil, electrical, and embedded courses. That is for EC and electronics student.
So just go through the link that Sonu has given you, that what were the courses are present and what were the
Yes, you
interests
can
you have.
explore in skilldesire.com,
You just go through the link.
or you
Okay.
may contact on this number, that is 7893557108.
Yeah.
In case of any query, you can contact there also.
Okay.
Anything else? Any doubt? Okay, Swati ma'am, will you give any concluding remark for us?
Including
Or
remark.
will you suggest what is the market scenario in pandemic? If you talk about core jobs.
Means the placements now the placements are very strict. I want to say that. Why? Because
Okay.
in my company there are very strict rules now they are following. Due to this pandemic there were some losses and there were some benefits regarding the company account department they have said to me.
Okay.
So they are very strict. Means if they are taking someone and they are going to invest some money on them, they are thinking that they should be a pro in all the things.
Okay.
So that's the reason they are looking for
That means
skills
you are saying
matters.
that jobs are there in pandemic also, but all
Yeah,
required
jobs
is the
are there,
skills.
but only skills. Without skills, if you are a fresher also, they are not going to take you.
Okay. If I have a skills, I can get job in this pandemic easily.
Yes, you can get.
Okay. Guys, any question you can ask, as ma'am is from past many years, she is in electrical code, I think. Yeah, ma'am?
Yes. I'm for 4 years in different companies I
Okay.
have worked.
See, guys, 4 years is very long time. You can ask anything. May I know why skill desire? Yes, you can know. See, I am not saying that every engineering graduate should come to a skill desire. Then only they will get job. Again, I will quote an example. See, if you have a skill now, you can go to interview. But suppose I am a company manager, then what I will see whether you have proper skill sets according to my project requirement or not. If you have proper skill set according to my project requirement, I will hire you. That's simple. So what we are doing, we are just as Swati has said, jobs are there in market, but only what is required, the proper skills to fulfill it. We are just equipping you with that skills sets, then automatically you will get job.
Okay, that he asked that why he skill desire. It is asking that.
Yes, yes.
We'll provide online live sessions. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
real time knowledge. Real time knowledge in the sense like we'll go to the so and so like substation and we'll show the each and every equipment. How does it works and how it
Industrial visits.
operates. Okay, site visits and industrial experts interaction means all the people who are working for 3 to 4 years, that people are only going to come and teach you. Normal people we won't going to hire them. And next we are going to give some technical quizzes. Means like if you train something or if you give some quizzes, if you get participated in that, we are giving some bonus offers like we are going to give some offers for that. And next we are going to give a skill desire membership. Means for 1 year you can means if you don't like certain job and if you are placed in some company and you don't like that area or something your issues, and you can just come to us and we can suggest you other things also. And next lifetime placement support. Means every time if you want to shift to other company, you can come and ask us. And next industrial relevant courses. Means what were the present market, which courses they are preferring, that courses only we are just updating and we are taking that, we are teaching that course only. And next grooming sessions. Means how you should speak with a HR and how you should prepare your resume and what are the things that you should put in your resume apart from your education. Education doesn't matter, only it is a certificate, I think so. And next virtual industrial visits. And if after this pandemic we are going to take the people also to the industrial visit. And next certification, and we are going to provide you a certificate. And still you want to know, you just explore the website, so it is easy for you.
Exactly, exactly. Rightly said.
Just you get enrolled, get skills and get hired. This is
Eh,
the thing I want to say. And in our website there are different companies like Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Mela, and every company, L&T, every company. But the thing is that we'll just give, we'll means we'll show a road to go which way, but we can't make you to go inside, sit and do the work.
Yes,
Okay,
ultimately at last you have to perform.
you
One thing you
have to
have to remember.
perform, you
And
should be
see,
confident and you have to.
see, in our premises, we are having almost every company. Actually, we have a dedicated training and placement team. They are just working to generate more opportunity daily. Their task is to contact 10 technical company daily, and they are doing that. But we will not route you to same company. Actually, what is your performance in our premises, that will decide the level of company. Okay. Sir, please tell about doubt clearing session. Already discussed. We'll provide you a proper mentor for your doubt clearing session.
Completion of the course, do you get certificate also?
Yes, yes, definitely you'll get certificate and that will be valid everywhere in India.
Yeah, you can. If why should you hire you? I asked the question, right? At that
Hmm.
time, you can say that I have gone through the skill desire during my first year to means during my education. At that time, I have learned so and so courses. I am interested. I can perform well. If you give me an opportunity, I can do as much as best I can give. So if this answer you give, then he will be very impressed.
Exactly, he will be having faith in you,
Yeah.
because almost all technical company know a skill desire. Okay, so the
Eh,
name itself is sufficient. Why should I hire you?
and you should know that there is no other electrical in means no other like skill desire, no other one is going to be at 6 to 9 for you. And I want to say literally that if you go to some other coaching for CAD and they'll take you 5,000 and they'll just teach some non-technical guy will learn that stuff and he'll teach you and you will come out. Who is going to benefit? There won't be a real-time project. There won't be an industrial visit. There won't be a job guarantee. Then how you
Exactly.
are going to come out?
Skill
Uh,
desire
s-
is, ma'am, skill desire is for engineers, to make engineers.
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
definitely. To make trained engineers, you can say, or skilled engineers, not engineers.
Is
Engineers is
internships
everyone.
are mandatory to get a job?
What?
Yes.
Yes,
Is
definitely.
internships mandatory to get a job? Shake something, shake Banu.
Yes, this question you can take, Swati. You are from last many years in industry.
I'm saying that only. What is the highest package offered to the students at Skill Desire so far?
See, right now it is 37.5 thousand per month in core. Just Swati, I have one questions.
Okay.
See, what we are hearing now, students are saying that in core we are getting less package, okay, and in
No, it's
software we are
nothing.
getting more. But will you explain after 5 years which will sign more?
Core only I can.
Okay.
Why? Because
Most importantly, ma'am, most importantly, the satisfaction at the end, the satisfaction is must.
okay, without yes, satisfaction is very important. For that satisfaction only you have chosen the career of 4 years of electrical. Okay, with that satisfaction only you are going to work.
That's what I'm telling you. As an electrical engineer, I have to feel proud and I have to
Yes,
feel
Yeah.
satisfied. To
yes,
be satisfied,
obviously,
yes.
because you know,
For that, skill desire is, yeah.
see,
One thing I want to say you that people will say so many things, right? Means like software will say that we are getting more packages than electrical, they'll say. Okay, but they are going through that coding stuff and there is some logic they should build and they should work hard for that. Okay, and at the same time they are going some parameters. Okay, at the same like the same wise electrical also will do, but we have different things like design and everything, and there are different softwares. As they are using the some softwares, we are using also some softwares. But
Yeah, it is
the
like
thing is
they,
that they will say just say that we are getting so much of salary. Initially they won't give so much of salary. They should have 3 to 4 years of experience and they should have mandatorily skills. Only C won't be useful for software. They should have C++, Java, core Java, and next web designing. If they have more skills, they are getting more salary. Like that you should also build in your core like electrical means you should also have so many skills other than AutoCAD. You should have other like E-plan,
e-plan,
E-tab,
e-tab.
like that. You should also have a hands-on stuff with 10 softwares. Then you'll also get the same salary.
See, if you are talking about job satisfaction, that's why we are explaining you each possible designation. What other people know, if you will talk about
Why
core
join
electrical job,
electrical engineer?
if you will talk about core electrical, mechanical, civil, they say
yeah,
yes, core, I am in core, but they doesn't know what are
yeah,
the possible
yeah.
designation or job profile available in that core. So we are explaining you, and according to your interest, you have to choose. Okay, so definitely you will be
Yes,
satisfied with
finally
that.
your interest. Yes, yes, it is.
Yes, exactly. All depends on your interest. That's it.
Like someone is asking, Deepak Singh is asking, what is the fee structure?
It's 22,000 for job oriented course and 3,000 for internship program.
And one thing I want to say, you can pay in 2 installments, I think so. But once
Yes, yes,
again, you
yes, yes.
contact someone. Okay, means like for
You
2.
have to inform in starting,
Okay.
and
Next,
we'll manage
please
it.
share the website link of Skill Desire.
Yes, I have saved. Swati, I think we have done with that questions and answer.
Yeah,
We may
same,
conclude.
same. Okay.
Okay, guys. Good evening, everyone. This is Sonu from Skill Desire, working as a technical expert. On behalf of whole Skill Desire team, I would like to extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Swati for his lovely and informative session. Guys,
Okay,
before ending today's session, I will request you all to please fill the feedback form. The link has been shared in chat section. I would also like to share a few points about Skill Desire. As Swati has rightly pointed out, the day has come where we have to talk about exactly real-time needs to survive in this world. See guys, Skill Desire is India's largest real-time learning platform where students get trained by industrial experts along with certification and placement slots. We strongly believe that job is the byproduct of our skill set, so I will suggest you to please focus on skills rather than job. Guys, you all can follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel where we update new innovation daily. See, you can download our Skill Desire app from Google Play Store where you can see various free demo sessions if you need. Please visit our website for more detail and feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you all. Waiting to see you all in live session. Bye. Please fill the feedback form.
thank you everyone. Thank you very
Okay. Thank
much.
you, Swati. Thank you, everyone.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.